Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, reading ito for Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. Para sa gustong magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader ha. Friend ko yan guys, hindi po ako yan. Pa-comment na lang dyan sa bakit, heart lang, smileys. Malaking bagay sa akin. Kahit nga may kayo mag-comment, okay lang. Kasi natutuwa ako dun sa mga ganun, nagpapakita na parang active self talaga sila habang nanonood. Ano? Messages to general reading ha. Tragedy. Pag di ka nakaka-relate, huwag mong kunin. But these are messages for Libra. Tragedy, divine masculine is here. And you do have your TikTok. Retaliation. I feel like some of you, nakakita ko dito ng you are getting attracted. Or maybe someone, this is not love reading ha. Pero yung iba sa inyo is ganon. Lumalabas siya as love reading. Like, you are being attracted to someone. Pero pwedeng pinipigilan mo kasi bawal. Or maybe someone is getting attracted to you. Pwedeng aware ka doon, pwedeng hindi. You do have your TikTok. So it's like, but there's something here na kailangan gawain nung, like maybe that person. Like, attracted siya sa'yo pero may kailangan siyang gawin. And or, ikaw ito na attracted ka sa isang person but you need to do something first. I can see someone coming back from your past. Maybe this is someone na nasaktan mo or sinaktan ka. I don't know who this person is. Pero there's this feeling ng parang like some kind of comeback. Ganon. Roller coaster is here. Triggers. Magnet. Divine feminine. Bottom of the deck is the poison. Okay. Well, nakakita tayo dito ng like some of you there's an event in your life na mangyari which is mabilisan. And might be hindi mo yun mai-explain kung bakit ganun agad yung mga nangyari, but it's like this is about to happen dahil this is like meant for you to happen, meant to be kind of energy. So this, if this is love, pwedeng may mga mabilisan na pangyayari dito. Dahil this person is like meant for you. Poison is here. Well, nakakita tayo dito. You do have your poison, toxic, unhealthy behavior people. Maybe this is unhealthy people sa buhay mo. If you are currently nakakaramdam ka na ng mga issues with regards to your health, may kailangan kang baguhin sa health mo, do that. Baguhin mo na. No, malapit na ang Libra season. So, maganda ayusin mo na yung mga it's your season, it's your time. It's your time to shine. So, habang nandito tayo sa Virgo season, maganda to para mag-focus sa mga details sa buhay mo na dapat ayusin, dapat baguhin, dapat maging mas I can see a lot of people na mas makukot mo yung attention niya during your season. Diba? Mas marami kang ma-attract na tao, mas maraming makakapansin sa'yo. Pero, mas maganda, mapapansin ka nila sa magandang pangyayari sa buhay mo. Magandang situation na mangyayari sa buhay mo. Financial support is here. Crickets and realization. So, some of you, if you're single, new love is coming. If you're not, I can see that there's Libras here na pwedeng kung nakakaranas ka ng separation, maybe there's no support na binibigay nitong person nakakonect mo. Some of you, if you are not yet single or di pa nagkakaroon ng separation, honestly, there's a high chance of you separating. Lalo na kung ang relationship ninyo nabuo siya dahil sa forbidden love or hindi siya pwede na relasyon. Lalo na kung doon siya nabuo and you're a Libra and there's a high chance of separation. Maybe because may something or someone na dadating na mas better for you. And of course, pwede may mga realizations na itong relationship na to no longer working, this person is no longer talking to me, wala siyang time sa akin, so I don't feel like yung relationship will bloom or grow. So, there's a possibility of an ending of a relationship para sa iba. Pero may new one na paparating. So, let's talk about messages in the near future for you. Ano meron sa near future mo? You do have your pretending and unconditional. So, maybe the new person for some of you is someone who has a lot of love, emotions for you. Pero pwedeng with the pretending, there's a high chance na hindi siya maging honest agad-agad. But, this person is the one who is willing to work out or makipag-usap, makipag-connect sa'yo because this person wants to talk to you. Interview is here. So, pwedeng hindi pa siya ready physically or emotionally. Pero nandun yung emotionally, nandun na yung emotions niya sa'yo. Pero this person maybe needs to decide maybe may kinalaman naman siya sa situation niya and maybe hindi pa naman yun yung time na makapag-decide agad siya. So, I can see deep friendship sa inyo nitong taong ito in the near future. But anyway, yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.